Hello friends, we are discussing on internship topic. I have done my internship in 1st December to 31st December in Usmanabad, the infamous company Rajguru Association Usmanabad. It is a very famous company in Usmanabad. He also works civil structural consultant and all civil construction he worked in Usmanabad. Shall I am started the presentation. My name is Ritesh Malinath Kambai. I am from Usmanabad and my college name is Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Loneri in Maharashtra. Firstly, uh, I am telling you two content. First is introduction, second objective, and then site visit, and last is conclusion. What's meant by civil engineering? I am telling in introduction part. Civil engineering is a professional engineering discipline that deals with the design, construction and maintenance of the physical and naturally built environment, including public works such as roads, bridges, canals, dams, airports, sewage systems, pipelines, structural components of buildings and railways. This subdivision of the civil engineering is one of the growing branches as it provides large job opportunities to a large number of people in the country. And our country is not developed, so uh, civil engineering is a very best career opportunity for Indian students. Civil engineering are constructing bridges, flyovers, railway bridges, metros, railways, seaport, airport, roadways, buildings. Objective of the internship. Internships provide you knowledge, practical knowledge on the site visit. You go site visit, you get knowledge of practical knowledge to mold the students as per company's requirements, to understand the construction methodologies and procedures through live examples, ongoing construction projects. Second, site visits. Introduction to construction management and project management. Construction management is both an art and a science and is something that is usually quite hard to do. It is hard because one has to look at broad range of variables and try guess what effect each variable will have on a construction project. For example, a construction manager in the middle of a project will have to take into account the following: the weather, the availability of construction workers who may be sick or may not feel like showing up for work, the fact that some materials are out of the stock just when they are needed, uh, the availability or non-availability of key equipment like cranes, changes made to existing design by architects and clients to previous evening, jungling the work 20 or more different trades at the same time, surprise discoveries of the electrical cables the ground that no one knew about, inspection and preventing delay by government authorities. And then most important part in civil construction is marking on quantity calculation and measurements. If you go any construction, you mark, you adjust the things, you will adjust the thing to mark to mark first. Marking is the process of drawing to on scale or measurements for the construction on of foundation or footing. Quantities of materials for concern concrete such as cement, sand, aggregates for production or required quantity of concrete of given mixed proportion is known as quantity calculation. And then drawing study and engineering drawing. You carefully read the plan and then you will mark and then you construct the buildings or anyway of airports or anywhere. Firstly you read the plan seriously or carefully. First, there are two types of drawings. First is structural drawing and then architectural drawing. Then safety of management is also very important point of view in civil engineering construction. There are several measures that we need to follow when we are working in the construction field. Safety is one is of prime importance, and it is very important. In safety, we include we wear helmet, gum boots. You you use proper goggles, gloves for hands. And last part is conclusion. Internship training is a momentous experience which is great importance in developing on your career. This can be previous opportunity for us to get acquainted with the practical working condition in the construction industry and to get know the problems that are likely to arise on site. Internship training teaches our theoretical knowledge as well as to gain more practical knowledge. It has given us an exposure to that vast sea activities involved in the civil industry and to maintain mainly develop the confidence to work more efficiently in near the future. Thank you for watching my video. I am just saying to all of you is my first internship and I am shared my experience through the platform of YouTube.